This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 27, Creativity, a detailed exploration. Creativity involves producing novel, original, and useful ideas that bring innovation, as seen in the case of a General Foods product where creative people and their ideas were rare gems. Measuring creativity involves assessing fluency in generating novel ideas and elaborating on them through tests like the alternative uses test and the consequences test, which evaluate components like originality, realism, and potential impacts. While intelligence is related to creativity up to an IQ of 120, highly intelligent people are not necessarily creative, as creativity involves distinct attributes like divergent thinking and finding unusual solutions beyond just analytical problem solving. Ability. Creative individuals possess unique attributes such as cognitive complexity, imagination, openness to experience, curiosity, and flexibility, exhibiting traits like confidence, cleverness, humor, and unconventionality while persisting despite failures. The creative process consists of 4 key steps: preparation, where knowledge and skills are acquired in a specific domain; incubation, where initial ideas undergo unconscious mental processing; illumination, marked by a sudden realization or insight; and evaluation, where ideas are tested for usefulness. The right brain, which controls creativity, enables creative thinking for all, but training, passion, and organizational support are crucial for fostering creativity, as ideas often require significant time and verification before being deemed successful. In summary, creativity enables the generation of novel ideas with broad impacts, and understanding its components aids in valid assessment, while distinct cognitive styles, personalities, and the 4-step process underlie true creativity, which can be catalyzed by training, support, and an enabling environment. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.